Here I'm flattening the end of the blank with a 1-inch Forstner bit. I saw Carl Jacobs do this on one of his videos, and I think the way the pieces sit that are threaded into blanks look great when you use this effect. Next, I'm drilling into the blank with a 1/2 inch bit so I can place a threaded insert into the end. I'm going in about 5/16 of an inch. Hey folks, so we just finished up another project video. I had to turn a handle for my pizza cutter because last week I dropped my other one and the threaded section snapped off inside the handle. And that was a pain in the butt to try to fix, so I opted just to get a new one. They had these on sale this week over at Rockler. They're like 20% off. It's like $25 and I paid like $19 for it. $6 discount over at Rockler. I don't get anything from them, just letting you know there's a sale going on. Secondly, you saw me finish off my handle with Axe abrasive paste and wax, and I want to thank Tom for providing me with the product. You do get a 15% discount if you happen to order something and use my discount code. This is made up of zebra wood and purple heart. It's some scraps. I glued those together off camera and made this nice handle. I'm glad you guys hung out with me today. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Keep on turning.